Okay, now we will see that how we can multiply by a whole number or a decimal. Means a decimal, how we can multiply by a whole number, or how we can multiply a decimal by a decimal. So now if I take 0.6 multiplied by 2, so this is your decimal. Okay, now let's see that if I have to multiply 0.6 into 2, so you have to first of all ignore the decimal and you have to multiply the whole numbers first. That is your 6 2s are 12. Once you will multiply the whole number, after that you have to see how many decimal places are there. Here there is only one decimal place, so here you will put the decimal just after the one digit. Got it? That will be one decimal place only. Similarly, if I take 0.32 into 4. So you have to ignore this decimal. Simply multiply 32 and 4. You can multiply normally also. 32 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 3 4s are 12. That is 128. 128. Then you have to count the number of decimals. This is your 2 decimal places. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. So here also you will put after 2 decimal places. 1 2. So here that is 1.28 will be your required answer. Now, if we have to multiply a decimal by a decimal, so how we will do that? Let's see. Now, if I take 0.02 multiplied by 0.4, means this is also a decimal number and this is also your decimal number. So first of all, you just ignore the decimals and multiply the number. So here you can see 4 and 2. 4 2s are 8. So 8 you will get. After that, how many decimal places are there? 1 2. 2 decimal places this side. How many decimal places this side? Only one decimal place this side. So total how many decimal places are there? 2 plus 1, that is 3 decimal place. So here you have to put the decimal after 3 places. That is 8 is there, 1 2. 1 2 3. After 3 you will put your decimal. That will give you 3 decimal places. That the answer is 0.008. Similarly, if I take 2.4 multiplied by 0.6. So first of all, ignore the decimal. That is your 24 multiplied by 6. So somewhere in the corner you can multiply 24 into 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. That is your 144. Once you will get this, then you have to simply just check the decimal places. Here how many decimal place? Absolutely correct. That is your one decimal place. Here how many decimal place? Only one decimal place. So total how many decimal places will be there? 1 plus 1, that is 2 decimal places. So count from this side. 1 2. After 2 you will put your decimal. That will give you 2 decimal places. 1.44 will be your required answer. This is how you have to multiply when 2 decimal numbers are given to you. Now let's see that how we can divide our decimal by a whole number. So here 0.132 is there and you have to divide it by 6. So in division, you all know division, the way you used to divide. In the same manner you have to divide. Only one thing you have to take care while doing the division of decimal is that when you will divide in quotient, you will put the decimal where your decimal point is there, means just above your decimal point you have to put the decimal. So now let's see this question and I will explain you. Okay, now let's divide these two numbers. So 6 we will write down outside and 0.132 inside. After that 0 point nothing is there, so you will copy down as it is 0 point decimal just below your decimal point. After that 1 you will take. I cannot divide 6 and 1, so I have to take 3 also. Now you are just taking 2 digits. So you all know the normal rule of division, that if you will take 2 digits together, you have to take 1 0. Now 6 2s are 12, 13 and 12 you will subtract, then you will get 1. 2 you will copy down. Again 12. Then 6 2s are 12. That means your answer is 0.022. That is your question. Okay, now let's see 20.4 divided by 600. So let's solve this question. I can write down 20.4 divided means upon 600. So I can write down in this manner also 20.4 6 into 100. Got it? Why I am doing so? I am just doing this because I can easily divide 20.4 and 6. Once I will divide 20.4 and 6, then I will deal with this upon 100. Okay. So now quickly let's divide 20.4 and 6. I have done this method just to make my question easy. That is 20.4 6. Now 6 threes are 18, 19, 22 carry. Now the moment you will copy down 4, decimal is there, put decimal sign here also. Okay. Now 6 fours are 24. We will cancel. We will get 3.4. So when you will divide these two, you will get 3.4 upon 100. Now remember the rule. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. If 2 zeros are there, so how many places you have to shift the decimal? 2 places you have to shift the decimal, and that too towards your left hand side. I have already explained you. So that is 3.4 upon 100 is there. So means 2 places we have to shift the decimal. One place you will shift, then again one more place. So you will get 3, 4 as it is. One here and here. This will be your answer. Why? Because decimal is this side. So when you will shift 2 places, 1 place and 2 place, after 2 places you put your decimal sign. Hope that addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal is clear to you. All of you keep on practicing and do your homework.